In my previous video, I explained to you the whole authentication process when you want to log in into your account. And you probably were faced with the words like hash, encryption, encoding. All the three words are mixed up. However, behind each of them is a huge purpose. My name is Anna and I will explain you in this video the difference each of them. And let us start with the hash. Each time when you create your own and hopefully secure password, the system doesn't store the password in the database. For this purpose, the system scrambles your password based on the method into the hash and put it in the database. Each time when you enter your password into the system, it proceeds the same way, but the opposite, to restore your password from the hash to the real password, it's not possible. That's why it's really important to keep your password secure. And what does encryption mean? Encryption, according to the definition, is a process of converting your readable data, called plaintext, into unreadable data, called ciphertext, using mathematician algorithm and a secret key. That means each client who has the secret key is able to read and convert this data into the readable data. This is why it's important to keep these public and private keys very in secure place. As a user, you are not faced with this high complex technical process. But maybe it's important for you to know each time when you put in the little box your username and the password, the whole process from the encryption, from the plaintext into the cybertext using the public and private secret keys are happened at the backend to keep your account secure. And also here, the small tip from my side, each time when you go to the website, putting the website address, check if it's used the secure HTTPS protocol. And let us switch to the last one, encoding. Encoding is nothing about security, it's more for the consistency between the systems. There are 4 different types of encoding. The base64 encoding translates the binary data into the plaintext. URL encoding converts the unsafe characters into the readable safe form for the URL's transmission. Character encoding defines how the letters, symbols, emojis are represented in the system. And then data compression encoding shrinks the file sizes into the faster storage and transfer. Hash, encryption, encoding. For the users, it might be quite the similar words. But now you know the difference and can recognize that each of them has its own purpose and make our digital world more safe and smooth. Follow me in the next time you will receive more interesting information about the IT.